Earth 2.0 found in Nasa Kepler Telescope Hall, Part 2. While similar in size and brightness to the Sun, Kepler 452b's host star is 1.5 billion years older than ours. Scientists working on the mission therefore believe it could point to a possible future for the Earth. If Kepler 452b is indeed a rocky planet, its location vis-a-vis its star could mean that it is just entering a runaway greenhouse phase of its climate history. Explained Dr. Doug Caldwell, a SETI Institute scientist working on the Kepler mission. The increasing energy from its aging sun might be heating the surface and evaporating any oceans. The water vapor would be lost from the planet forever. Kepler 452b could be experiencing now what the Earth will undergo more than a billion years from now, as the sun ages and grows brighter. Dr. Don Polacco, from Warwick University, UK, who was not involved with the latest analysis, Kepler data allows you to estimate the relative size of a planet to its host star. So if you know the size of the host, hey presto, you know the size of the planet. However, to go further, i.e. is it rocky? Involves measuring the mass of the planets, and this is much more difficult to do as the stars are too far away for these measurements, which are incredibly difficult to make. So in reality they have no idea what this planet is made of. It could be rock, but it could be a small gassy ball or something more exotic maybe. Dr. Chris Watson, from Queen's University Belfast, UK, commented, other Kepler habitable zone planets may well be more Earth-like in this respect. For example, Kepler 186f is approximately 1.17 Earth radii, and Kepler 438b is approximately 1.12 Earth radii. In fact, at 1.6 Earth radii. This would place Kepler 452b in a category of planet called a super-Earth. Our solar system does not actually have any planet of this type within it. Super-Earths are hugely interesting for this reason. But one might then say, well, is it really Earth-like given all this? He added, when we look at the type of star Kepler 452b orbits, then it seems to be a star not too dissimilar to our Sunday. The other Kepler habitable zone planets that have been discovered so far tend to be orbiting M-dwarfs, stars far cooler than our Sun. And therefore the planets need to orbit much closer to receive the same levels of heating. So it may be a potentially rocky super-Earth in an Earth-like orbit, in terms of host star and orbital distance. It's this combination of the host star and orbit that set it apart in my opinion. The findings have been accepted for publication in the Astronomical Journal.